Welcome back guys, to the new tutorial on TextField Widget. This TextField Widget helps us to get information from the user. Here you can see the text box to enter the name and password with other details. Let me show you how this works. Let me enter the name as Coder Garage, and simply enter a dummy password. So, here you can see that it welcomes the name with a hello, and in this tutorial let's see all the detailing in this page, starting from the icon, naming and so on. Here you can see an animation of the text, when the text box is clicked. Let's see everything about the text box in this tutorial. Like and subscribe to our channel, for more Flutter videos. Let's get into the tutorial now. Below the app bar, let me have the text field within the body. Let me save this now. OK, done. Here we got the line. This is the text field. Here we can enter the details. Let me get this in center. Click Alt plus Enter and wrap with the center widget. Now, we got the text field in the center. OK, here within the text field, the user can type either the letter or numbers, but if the field is for phone number, then the user should enter only numbers, right? For this, change the text input type to numbers. Within the keyboard type, feed the text input type as number. Now, when the user clicks this text field, he can enter only numbers. The length of phone number should have a limitation. Let me have it as 10 digits, so no more number than 10 digits is accepted in this text field. For this, use max length and set it as 10. OK, here you can see the number of digits entered out of 10, now it is full so no more number can be entered. The next one is the alignment property, which determines from where the entered number should appear. For this, use text align property, and set the alignment position. Now let me have it in the center. In most apps, the text got obscured when we start filling the password. For this, use obscured text property, a boolean property, set it to true. OK, here you can see the bullets when the character is entered. Here you can see the text we have entered in the text field. To avoid this, set the autocorrect property to false. OK, now when we enter anything, it won't appear below, but for a non-password section, set the autocorrect property as true. This autocorrect property helps the user. When I type TYUE instead of true, it shows me the related correct words for me. By selecting the word suggested, entered one gets auto-corrected. If you feel that the size of the text is too small, you can change this, using the style property. Let me have the font size as 20 and change the font weight to bold. OK, now the text size is better, but the font weight is too bold. Let me remove the font weight. Let me hot reload this. Next, let's see about the autofocus property. Let me set this as true, and hot reload this, so once the app loads, the cursor automatically points the text field. Let me reload this again. Now, we can directly type into the text field, without selecting the text field. Next, let's see how to customize the Done button, after completing a text field, how to move to the next text field, if there are multiple text fields. For this, use text input action, and set the action button accordingly. First, let me have next and save this. Done. Here you can see the next button. In similar way you can have the search icon in the keypad, and after setting this, make sure to customize according to the action button. The default action button is done. In the next tutorial let's see about the decoration of the text field. Like and subscribe to our channel for more Flutter videos. Thank you for watching.